In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time display on your TradingView chart to a 12-hour format. This adjustment is essential for those who prefer to see time in a 12-hour clock instead of the default 24-hour military style, which can make it easier to understand and track your trading data more intuitively. Let's start by opening your chart in TradingView. Once you have your chart loaded and visible on your screen, your first step is to locate and click the settings icon, which appears as a gear symbol. This icon is usually found at the top of your chart, and it's what we'll use to access the various settings options available to customize your chart to your liking. Upon clicking the gear icon, you'll be presented with the settings menu. This menu houses several tabs that enable you to tweak different aspects of your chart, enhancing the way information is displayed. To modify the time format, you should navigate to the tab labeled Scales. This tab specifically handles how data and various elements are displayed along the axis of your chart, including time settings. As you scroll through the options under the Scales tab, keep an eye out for a setting titled Time Hours Format. This option dictates whether your chart presents hours using a 24-hour format or a 12-hour format. Once you locate this setting, you'll notice a drop-down menu adjacent to it. Clicking this drop-down menu gives you access to available time formats. To switch to a 12-hour format, you simply need to select 12 hours from the drop-down list. This is an intuitive choice for those who find AM and PM indicators more useful than military time. Once selected, the change is ready to be finalized by a single click. With your preferred time setting chosen, it's important to save these changes. You can do this by clicking the OK button at the bottom of the settings window. Doing so not only saves your new time format preference, but also closes the settings window, returning you back to your main chart display. Immediately after clicking OK, you'll notice that the time shown on your chart now adopts the 12-hour format, incorporating those familiar AM and PM designations. This change makes your chart's timeline more relatable and easier to interpret at a glance, and especially if you're accustomed to traditional clocks. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully transformed your TradingView chart's time display to match your personal preference. This little adjustment can greatly improve your ease of data analysis, ensuring you're able to read and react to chart information swiftly and precisely. Enjoy your enhanced chart experience with the 12-hour format.